Hey folks, Kevin here with Fabrk AI, and this is part 4 of our GitHub agent building an agent for us. The GitHub agent is building the Trello agent for us in real time. This is part 4. If you are just watching this video and don't know what's going on, check out those first 3 videos. So I'm going to jump back in. So I had to do some work to flesh out a couple of the AI tool calls, but they're in now, and I'm going to basically kind of walk through how I'm going to add these to Fabrk and then test them locally. And we're hopefully going to add some stuff to this this board, maybe even create a new board. So we're going to see if we can get to that today in this video. So, and then this is live. I mentioned this in a previous video, but this is not like a tutorial. I'm basically just like building live, kind of building in public. So, so if you're looking for like a tutorial, this is not that. This is going to have a lot of probably issues to debug and that sort of thing. So anyway, I'm going to walk through where we are now. So right now we have a tool that creates a Trello card. We have a tool that upserts a Trello board, upserts a Trello list, and then we have all the helper functions to get it all done. So right now we have some helper functions to get cards and get lists, but those are actually not in yet. So we're going to add those in probably another video. I kind of want to just get this to a point where we can update stuff on the fly with these lists, boards, and cards. So I'm just going to make sure it's all working correctly and adding the tools to Supabase so that Fabrk has the ability to call them and then test it out. So let's do it. So we need to add all these tools. So AI Upsert Trello List is the first one we're going to add. So this is a tool, and here you can see at the bottom, it's calling out to OpenAI. This is the function that it's going to create or update a Trello list with a given name. List, and you need a board ID there. So that's fine, I think. So let's create this in Fabrk Supabase. So this is production. We're going to go to development, and we already have a tool here for creating cards right here. Is there a copy function? I can't remember. Nope, there's not. Okay, that's fine. So we are going to create a new row, and it's going to be public, and it's going to be, the name is going to be, well, I'll name that last one Trello. That wasn't great. The name of this tool is going to be Upsert Trello list. And this is going to, I'm just going to grab this from the description here from what the AI gave me here. Perfect. So the function name that maps to the tool. So we need this AI Upsert Trello list. That's the function name and the spec name. And the type is going to be productivity. And then the slug is going to be Upsert Trello list. We don't need the context. I'm going to add myself as the person who created this here. And we do need parameters. So these parameters are going to be, and this is JSON, so it's going to be name. And this is the open API spec. So this is like type and then string. Writing out JSON is not fun. Okay. And then connection type is going to be credentials. This is going to be based on the token. So let's see here. Save that. Okay. Upsert Trello list. So that's great. Let's test this. So I'm going to go to my local development. I'm just going to make sure I'm running here. I am. So we're going to go to our local development. And then here, oh, we're already in our, this is our Trello agent locally. And it has one tool right now, which is the Trello tool. I'm actually going to rename this. This is a bad name. So this is the tool to, I think it creates a card. Yeah. So we're going to call this create Trello card. Tool that interacts with Trello API to create and update. And create or update a card. Okay, great. And actually this, I have to fix this because this doesn't have the card ID, so we actually can't update the card now. This can only create it, so we'll have to update that. But for now, we're trying to test this list functionality here. So we're going to add that tool that we just created, and I made it public, so it should be public. Let's see. Upsert Trello list. So let's add this. We're going to copy and add it. And then I'm going to make sure that you see it's generating the image for the tool here on the background, so that's cool. Let's see. So upsert Trello list. This is perfect. Name, board ID. All right, connection. So I think this is a bug. I mentioned this in a previous video, but I believe the credentials are already here, and they're not. Okay. Oh, no, they are. So that's perfect. Basically, what happens is this is a power up. So this uses the Fabrk power up in Trello. Power ups are kind of like, you can think of them like almost like apps, OAuth apps, that type of thing, that allows you to add functionality to your Trello board. And so there's a Fabrk power up which you can add, and then when you do, it creates this token which you can add here. And here's the token that I already added. So we should be good to go there. So I'm going to go back to my thread. All right. So, and I'm just going to confirm that I have it. Upsert Trello list. Okay, so let's see here. What Trello list IDs do you have? I think these are the list IDs, so I think it's just going to rename those, but I'm just wanted to confirm that. Okay, cool. So let's see. I want to change the in progress to, let's see. I want to add one actually. I want to add a won't do. Can you add a won't do list to this Trello board? All right, so it's calling the right tool. You can see here it's calling the Upsert Trello list tool. All right, it added it. Let's check it out. Won't do. Perfect. Okay. So interesting in Trello. I'm not sure how it organizes like the which order they're in, but won't do typically put towards the end. Anyway, so now we have backlog to do, in progress done. So this is great. Now we have the AI having the ability to add lists to a board. Let's see if it can update the name. Let's change in progress to doing. Can you update the in progress list name to doing? This will test the upsert. We know it can create a list because it just did it. Let's see if it can update a list. All right, so it's calling the right tool. Doing. Okay, reorders it. Interesting. And I'm wondering actually, I can't remember if there was, oh wait, no, here's in progress. Ah, so there's a bug, see? So this created a new one. So we'll have to go back and test the functionality to make sure that the logic where it updates one versus just creating a new one, where is working, and obviously it's not right now. So we'll make sure that that's working. But that's why you test things. Whenever the AI is writing code, you want to make sure you test things. So so that's that. I do have to add the upsert the Trello board to this too and test that out. So that's going to be for another video. But I think we'll pause here and do the rest of the functionality in a future video. Thanks for watching.